Hi everybody, this is Katrina, the owner of COS Marketing Agency, here for another video. And Happy New Year, guys. It's 2026. I can't believe it. It's gone by so quickly. Hit that notification bell and click subscribe so you can get notified about when we post, which is every single day. We are here to talk about any and all topics related to marketing and business. Alrighty, guys, so let's be honest. In 2026, what is going to separate businesses from one another is who adapts to these changes that are coming our way, because otherwise your business might disappear, right? Not because of one big change, because everything has been shifting for years and now everything is finally catching up and it's culminating into what's going to be an interesting year as far as marketing goes in 2026. If you're a small business owner right now, this is the year you either need to monetize and focus on marketing, or you're going to be completely left behind. Trust me, there is no middle ground anymore. All right, and this video is not meant to fearmonger. This is a reality check for you guys and a roadmap for the future, which is very important. I work with small businesses every single day. I see what's working and I also see what's dying. And I also know what's about to hit hard in 2026. Why? This is not rocket science, guys. Once you're plugged in, the writing's on the wall and you'll see what I'm seeing. But hey, you get it summarized in this video. So you get it all in one place. Here's just some of the many things that you're going to expect going into 2026, right? Number one, a clean, modern website. I'm shocked at how many people want to debate me about this or say, hey, I can hold off on a website for later. Come on now, get with the program. Come on. A clean, modern website is essential in 2026. Also, fast load times. I don't want to see websites anymore that take minutes to load. That's it, your prospects are gone. Reviews and consistent reviews. This is going to be a hard one for a lot of you guys because some of you guys are way too shy for business owners in general, but you're way too shy for reviews. You got to stop. If you know you are giving good work and you have happy customers right now, you're doing them a disservice if they are not leaving reviews, because guess what? That's going to attract more people to you that you can help, right? However you need to think about it, just get over it. Ask for these reviews, right? People get it now. They understand. People look at reviews, and if they're a good client, they'll be happy to do that for you. You want reviews on a frequent basis. If we can do that too, that is one of the best and most cost-effective ways you can boost the algorithms, and I promise you that will get the phone ringing. All right, here's another thing I want to talk about. This is a big one. AI. It's here to stay. It's not going anywhere. So you got to get with the program. But keep in mind, AI isn't taking jobs, it's taking market share. People are getting confused about it. When people are confused, a lot of times they just give up on it altogether. And guess what? They're going to be left behind. But you're smart. You're looking at the future. You clicked on this video for a reason, because you want the right information, right? So your competitors are already using AI. We know that. What does that do? What could AI do for you? These are just a few things. It can help you respond to leads faster. That's a big one. Helps create content faster. That's another big one. Helps you run ads smarter. Do research. Things like that was nearly impossible before, or took us hours and hours to do research. Now you can do that at a click of a button, right? Always make sure you verify things that it's saying. Don't take anything that it says for gospel on the surface. Make sure you're reading and analyzing what it's telling you. But it really shrinks the research time significantly as well. It can improve customer service, believe it or not. You can also train it to do different kinds of use cases as well, which is really interesting. Obviously, it depends on the system. And it helps you make decisions based on intelligent information and data that only AI can grab for you, right? Because who has 10, 20 hours a week to be doing this, right? I don't, I'll tell you that. All right, so moving away from AI, but please continue this conversation in the comments, guys, especially with the AI. I want to know what you guys are using right now, what's working, what's not working. I'm here in the comments for you. I'm happy to answer any questions. A lot of you guys want to DM me, that's fine too. But put those questions out there in a public comment if you can, because chances are people are struggling with what you're struggling with as well. So, and there's strength in numbers. Let's collaborate, let's talk. All right. Let's move on to Google. That's a big one, guys. And a lot of you guys want to debate, oh, is Google search important because of the AI? Google search is important now, tomorrow, next week, next year, 10 years from now. It ain't going anywhere. I can promise you that. And a lot of these AI systems are directly integrated with Google. So do not sleep on Google. It's going to be even more important in 2026, I'm telling you, right? So here are things that Google's going to reward you for. They want to see fresh content, social media posts, blogs, things of that nature. They want to see active Google business profiles. It's not enough to have one. You got to post on there frequently. You got to make sure it's optimized. And again, you got to have reviews on that Google business profile. It's essential. Consistent reviews is essential. Fast loading websites. We're talking about milliseconds here. Not minutes, not days, of course, right? That website's got to load fast, especially when it comes to the pictures. I think too many of you guys are getting cute and creative with giant, very colorful pictures, which take a long time to load. So maybe kind of simplifying certain things will help with the speed. It just depends. There are free speed tests. You can go online, Google free speed test right now, and you will find a whole bunch. So do that. Okay, and also investing in ads. God, you guys often fight me about Google ads. It's not old and obsolete, it's just different, it changes. And yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy to do. So it's easy to say, oh, forget about something that seems like it's hard. But guess what? Those are oftentimes the things in life that impact us the most, that have the most value. So do not sleep on Google ads. You absolutely need to have some Google ads. You don't need to start out running thousands of dollars of Google ads. Start out with a few hundred a month, whatever you can do. Just be consistent. You can always add more later. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Make sure that those ads are optimized, that you have tracking systems on your website that connects your ads together. And that's not something that just automatically gets done. You have to set that up. But other than that, just having it out there is really going to be a big game changer for you guys, I think. And if you are eligible for something called the local service ads, I highly, highly recommend that, because that is also going to, on average, get you a lower cost per click as well compared to PPC and other forms of Google ads. But those local service ads are for specific industries. So you got to do a Google search and see if your business qualifies. If you're in a service-based business, there's a good chance that you qualify, but you got to look at that list. You got to Google it, look at that list to find out for sure. Now moving right along to social media marketing. So social media is going to be about trust in 2026, not trends. I'm going to say that again. It's going to be about building trust on social media, not just about chasing trends. So let's talk about why. People want to see real projects, real people, real results, and real stories. Right? We just talked about AI. Well, there's a lot of fake stuff out there, and there's a lot of mistrust because people don't know what's real and what's not. If you're posting, especially when it's you and your crew in the videos or voicing the content in some way, it really brings a level of authenticity that you just can't get anywhere else, right? And social media frequency also shows you care about your business. You're there, you're involved, you're addressing the pain points that your prospects are experiencing, and you are the right solution for them, right? So think about social media from the perspective of trust building, not just what's trendy or throwing stuff at the wall to see what sticks. Focus on problem solving, which will build trust, but trust is the name of the game of social media. Do not be caught slipping on this. It is an important part of your marketing, right? Okay, and reviews are everything. On to the next topic. Make sure that you have reviews frequently. Google uses that directly to rank you. Customers use that to trust you. Your competitors will also use that to beat you if they got more than you. So keep that in mind. Your competitors right now understand this. They're not debating, well, maybe, no, they're doing this. And that is why they're getting the phone call over you. So you gotta think smart, guys. Stop letting your competitors get the better of you. Businesses with just something like 5 or 10 reviews lose business every single day for companies that have 100, 200 plus reviews. And it's not just from sheer numbers, it's what it does with the algorithms. How much more it pushes you out and thrusts you in front of people cannot be disputed. Cannot. All right, so I've belabored the point enough about these reviews and social media. Hope you guys take this to heart. Let's talk about a few other things. The customer journey has fundamentally changed, and in 2026, it's just going to continue to change. Customers don't just call a business anymore. They go through a whole process. They search online. They're comparing options. They check reviews. They look at photos and videos. They'll visit your website. They'll check out your social media. Then they contact you. Typically in that order, whether they realize it or not. This is what the data and the analytics are showing, and the data doesn't lie. If any step in that journey is weak or outdated, you lose the lead, even if you're at the best at what you do. So understand that, how important this is. Modernizing your marketing means strengthening every single step of that journey so customers choose you over your competitors. This is a big deal, guys, right? And I'm clearly very passionate about it. So please, again, write in the comments, write to me, let me know what's going on and what you guys are doing so far to modernize going into 2026. And look, I'll help you get the rest of the way. I just got a couple more quick things to throw at you, and then we will be on our way. Firstly is some marketing myths that are going out there right now that are going to hurt you in 2026. Number one, word of mouth is enough. Not anymore. People verify everything online now. Here's another one. I don't need a website, I have a Facebook. Facebook is not a website. It's basically borrowed land. You need your own home base. Get a website. Here's another one. SEO is a one-time thing. No, it's ongoing. You have to be active doing SEO. You have to do it continually. Guess what? That's going to happen in 2026. SEO has always been a long-term game. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon, but it's one that you need to go on. Every single company needs to do it. It's ongoing. Here's another one. Here's another myth. I don't need ads. People will find me. Not in 2026. The competition is too high and too many people are running ads. Again, you don't have to start out running thousands of dollars in ads. Just do what you can. And if we have to consolidate, Google's your sure bet. That's the trusted horse you want to bet on at the race, okay? And here's a couple other things. What does modernizing actually mean in practice? It doesn't have to be something fancy, right? It means being current, being visible, and being easy to trust. So how can we do this, right, in practice? You can update your website. Number one, update your website, guys, especially if you haven't done it in a while. Keep that Google Business profile active. Get reviews, optimize it. Post consistently on social media and blogs, right? Run ads. Whether it's Google or somewhere else, we recommend Google. Run ads. Use AI tools to speed up your workflow. Not taking you out of it, not taking away your job or putting the power in a machine, but use it to make your life better and to speed up your workflow. Chances are there's a lot of ways you're wasting money that AI can help you with. And here's the key. Always stay present and be visible online. Now, I got so many other topics I'd love to talk about, and if I do, this video is going to be an hour long. It's already quite long as it is. But listen, guys, 2026 is going to be a pivotal year. It's going to be a game changer for a lot of people. And you know, it's kind of make or break. It's kind of make or break for a lot of you. You've been holding off on marketing for far too long. And now is the year you got to get on board, or that could be it, you know? And I've had too many stories where people call me and it's just too late. Their business is sinking. They don't have any money. They're trying to throw a Hail Mary at me thinking a month or two is going to save them, and it's not. You gotta be dialed in, and you have to say, okay, nope, this is the year. I'm finally doing this. No more games. I'm ready. I'm ready to modernize my business so that I can make more money and help more people, really, because at the end of the day, what are we doing this for? It can't be just for ourselves, right? To leave a legacy, to leave an imprint, right? And what better way to do that than how your prospects communicate? This is how people communicate now, is online. You know, whether we like it or not, or indifferent. It's just how it is. So let's focus on meeting our clients halfway, going where they feel comfortable speaking their language, so to speak, so that, we can connect with them and give them the help that they need. I think that's important. So if you're saying to yourself, this sounds great, but I don't want to do it myself, or I'd like to, see what my options are to have people help me at least with some of this, keep us in mind. My company, again, is COS Marketing Agency. I'm Katrina, the owner of the company. You can call me directly right now at 407-334-9378, 407-334-9378, or if you prefer, you can email us at cosmarketingagency@gmail.com. And if you go to our website, which is cosmarketingagency.com, you can book a meeting on our website right there on our homepage. We got some options available for you in 2026 if you decide you'd like to talk to us. All right, thank you so much, guys, and it would be great if you could hit that like, share, and subscribe button. We appreciate it. It helps us continue to do the good work that we do. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy New Year, guys. Bye-bye.